FIDE master Shreyas created history in winning his 7th national title, while women FIDE master Adani Clarke rallied to dethrone women candidate master Kaya Gale at the just concluded National Chess Championships. And as you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, Ian Wilkins, the KC, also won the seniors title.
After 10 days of competition, FIDE master Shreyas was perfect in winning 10 points from his 10 games. The national competition carried 11 rounds, but his opponent, Javine McGowan, forfeited their game in the 9th round. Smith is the first player in the history of the championships to remain unbeaten.
It's very special. This one, I really wanted to make it, run it off to 7. Also, it feels good as well that I won it on a perfect score. First to do it 10 out of 10. So I really feel good being a part of history.
FIDE master Raheem Glaves, whose only loss came against Smith, won 7 of his games and drew 2 to finish second on 8 points. While FIDE master Jaden Shaw, whose only loss also came against Smith, won 7 of his games and drew 3 to end third on 7.5 points.
Just the love for the sport. It's very competitive, so I'm looking to win the next one, but again, didn't go as according to plan for this.
Competition was stiff as usual, Shreyas, Raheem and others, so hopefully next year we can just bounce back on this and hopefully finally get it back to where it's supposed to be.
On the women's side, woman FIDE master Adani Clarke, who is winning her 2nd national title, led up to the 7th round before surrendering the lead to defending champion woman candidate master Kaya Gale. However, Clarke, who lost to woman candidate master Gabriella Watson in the 8th round, defeated Gale in the 10th round to finish on 9 points.
Well, this win was extremely special to me because this was my first time coming back playing in the national championship since I won in 2020. And so a lot of preparation and hard work went into playing in this tournament. And it's always wonderful seeing that hard work pay off.
Now, Gale, who was second on 8 points, only loss came against Clarke while winning 7 games and drawing 2. And Watson, who lost only to Gale, won 5 games and drew 4 to finish 3rd on 7 points.
Yeah, I think it was going really well with my preparations and everything, but I missed something in my crucial game against Adani, which led to my loss.
Well, I feel okay with my performance. It definitely could have been better, but overall, it wasn't bad, and I'd like to congratulate the winners.
Meanwhile, Ian Wilkins and KC rallied to win the seniors title with 6 points after 7 rounds. Michael Diedrich, who was leading until the 7th round, ended second on 5 points, and candidate master Mark Holness, also on 5 points, was a third.
I'm very happy about it. It's my 3rd national seniors title. I won back-to-back titles in 2015 and 2016. And this title was particularly challenging for me because I had health challenges. But like a true Fortis, as you know, I had to fight to the very end, and I won 6 straight games, and I'm very happy about that. I look forward to representing Jamaica later this year at the World Seniors Chess Championships to be held somewhere in Europe.
The standard of play was extremely high. And, we see where we have very young talent coming through, especially on the female side. That is something that at the Jamaica Chess Federation, we have always been keen to try and accelerate the girls in chess. So we are super happy to know that the field was stacked with the best players, and they all gave it their all for the past 10 days.
32 persons took part in the Invitational Championships, 12 each in the absolute and women's categories and 8 in the seniors. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise. And with that, we take a break on Primetime Sports Monday, but more on the other side.